Thank you for tuning back into the Z Project. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you do not miss anything. Today I will show you how I made these beautiful deco balls. You will need silver push pins and assorted size styrofoam balls from the Dollar Tree or the craft store. Take one of the balls and begin pushing the push pins into it. Make sure that the push pins overlap slightly so that there are no gaps. And you can take them out and reposition them as needed. And then once you get to the end, go ahead and push a pin directly into the center and begin filling it in just as before. And you will continue doing this for all of the balls in the pack. Then once you do that, you are all done and you have beautiful decorative balls that you can use anywhere. Now go ahead and subscribe if you have not done so already, and connect with me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and I will see you all next time.